Hey guys, this is Doc Neo and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a sit-down vlog or content and simple lang. Just want to unbox and assemble itong Aqua Flask na binili ko. So the reason why I got one again is because yung Aqua Flask ko, madumi na yung parang pinaka mouthpiece niya or yung cap niya with mouthpiece. And the problem with that particular model is walang available na nare-replace yon. So, sobrang kadiri na siya. So, I have to buy another one para naman hygienic tayo, di ba? So, ayun guys. This is it. Oops! Aqua Flask, 40 ounces. I was supposed to buy the smaller one pero nung nakapila na ako sa cashier, parang na-realize ko na better go with the big one pa rin. So, and guys, wala namang anything special dito. Orange box na rin siya kasi, guess what? Yun ang color, tangerine. I used to pick muted colors, white, dark, mga ganyan. Pero, naisip ko, why not just be colorful and yeah, so orange accent din naman yung watch and my phone is orange para matchy-matchy. Ayan, so this is it guys, Aqua Flask. So, yun nga palang Aqua Flask sa SM Batangas. Meron na silang sariling, kumbaga, what you call this? Sariling stall sa second floor, which is very nice. Ayan, tapos free engraving nga pala siya guys, kahit magkano. I don't know kung basa. Yeah. Nia Pogi. 8 characters maximum. So, ayan. Yun yung nilagay ko. Gusto ko meron pang isang character sa gitna pero hindi daw pwede. So, nasa side dapat. Kulang na sa letter. So, Nia Space Pogi na lang. No hate, guys. Huwag niyo kawain. And Aqua Flask. And of course, I was thinking kung bibilhin ko yung parang jacket niya. Parang problema ko sa jacket, it gets icky. Nandudumihan din eventually. So, I figure yung ito na lang. Tapos, ayan, may boot. As I said, I picked the more vibrant colors para may iba naman tayo ng style. Ayan siya. So, this is, ano bang color nito? I don't know what color is this. Parang aquamarine. Tama ba? Tapos, yun nga. Yung I picked the carabiner. Bang pronunciation ko. Carabiner lead. The reason why I got this is because ito yung parang least likely na maglibag. Yeah, so how do I take it out? Ay ko lang ba? Oops. That. Wait lang guys. Wala kasi akong kunting. Yep. Yan. So ito guys, ganda rin ng color, no? Very vibrant. And meron siyang lock. And then, you just press it like so. Tuk! May nagpa-pop up din siya. Tapos yun guys, so halos wala. Madali siyang malinis. And yun lang, yung rubber na yun. So, if ever naman na magputik na siya, mag-develop ng mga molds na hindi ko na matanggal, I can just buy this whole thing. This is worth 250. So, parang you can buy it per part. So, tingnan lang natin kung ano yung tsura, guys. Ayun. Snap. So, snap din pala siya. So, yung pa-close. There's a satisfying snap. Tapos, ito yung tsura niya. Oh, diba? Stick yung kulay. Naman tayo sa mga makukulay ngayon. And then, just for fun, I got stickers, which is, buy 3, take 1. So, tulungan niyo ako. Dikit natin. Say cheese. Ayan. Netflix and chill. Tapos ito, overthinking. That's me. And ito yung talaga yung nagsasummarize ng personality ko. Hot sauce on everything. So, ayan. Subukan nating i-dikit. Ayan. Lahat ng stickers para ang content na to is how to overall design. The overthinker. Saan natin ito ilalagay? Ayan. Ano lang. So I'm assuming these stickers are also waterproof naman. Yan, overthinker. Ano na nilagay? Overthinker. Yan. Next is ang ating paboritong gawin, Netflix and chill. Puro Netflix, pero walang ka-chill. Lol. Yan. Netflix and chill. Hindi ko na maalala kung anong last movie or series na pinag sa Netflix kasi medyo ano rin, toxic din RBC tayo lately. Oh, it does not work the way I want it to. Ba't ganun? Wait lang guys. Parang defective tong +1 ah. Oh, hindi siya matanggal. Hala. This one's defective. Ayun! Sumasama kasi lahat. Netflix and chill. Saan natin ito ilalagay? Dito naman. Oh, galing. Parang may magnetic na siya. Static attraction. Yan, Netflix and chill. Next is, ayan, say cheese because we like photographies and videos and ayan, Instagram talaga yung logo niya. So guys, please don't forget to follow na rin. Neo Katambay ako sa, on Instagram. So, this is fun ha? Having fun doing this actually. So, siguro dito natin siya ilagay sa bandang baba. Yan, sabay ng Netflix and chill. And last is ito ang ating favorite. Hot sauce on everything. If you're really close to me or you're my friend, you know na yan, I eat everything with hot sauce. And yun nga, kapag for example, speaking of, malapit na ang birthday ko. That's what I usually ask for from friends. Kung regaluhan niya ako, make it hot sauce. Or pasalubong, make it hot sauce. Ayan. So, actually guys, meron pa siyang mga charms. Pero, hindi ko na siya hinabol dahil you're supposed to spend like 1,500 pesos worth. Tapos, free na yung charms. Ang issue is, yun nga, hindi ako abot kasi actually 1,200 lang yung total nung sa akin. Plus, guess what? Wala siyang letter N. So, hindi na ako nag-abala. Yeah, pero cute din yung charms. Nung nakita nga ni Mama, sabi, sana bumili ako ng something worth na. Patayo ba natin ilalagay? Sige, patayo na lang. Ayun, parang galing dun sa hot sauce yung overthinker. Wow! Good job! Yan. So, this is another reason para ma-motivate tayo mag-gym. I don't think mawawala pa to. No one can miss this. Pag iwan ko yung very colorful na water jug. Ayan, ito na siya. So, and guys, thanks for joining me. Just another video content. Trying to be more active here in my YouTube channel and sa social media in general. So again, this is Doc Neo telling everyone to be informed, stay inspired, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye! See you next time.